Okay, I wanted to do a quick video so you can see exactly what I did to make this money. First, I went to a site called clickbank.com. I typed into the search, Children's Learning to Read. It's the first one here, Children Learning to Read, Amazing Reading Program. You click Promote, and then you go ahead and you enter in your account. There we go. And it generates a link for you. Now you're going to take this link that it's generated and you're going to add it to your page you create. That link is what people click on. So every time they purchase, you get a commission. That link is so important because without it, you don't get paid. Next, I set up a blog at childrenlearningtoread.net. That's the domain I purchased. It happens to be the same name as the product that I just grabbed. And here you can see the website. People click on the stuff. When they click this, it goes to that link that I said it's so important to grab. This is the link that directs them to it. And this is all the information about the product. I did not create any of this. I just clicked and uploaded it onto my website. Next, I do a Google ad. I have different keywords. Those keywords run, and those keywords are what's found. So I ran it for 2 days. These are the 2 days, June 23rd, June 24th. That's my ad cost. This is the sale for June 24th. And it came to $75.37. This information tells you that my site was clicked 18 times. It was shown to 100 people. And yeah, it cost me 25 bucks. So basically I made, what, $50, right? So every week, on a Wednesday, overnight to a Thursday, I turn my ad on. I get to spend however much I choose. I can higher or lower the amount I spend into it. And it always converts to about $75. Sometimes it converts twice, which is an extra special week. Now, if you want the links so that you can go ahead and purchase those little pages that upload, or if you want any of the things product-wise that I've used, it will pay you back in commission. It also has not just one landing page that you upload. It has, I think it's 12 pages, and also the keywords will be included in that so that you can just add those right into your ad that you run each week. There's no science behind it. It's just click, load, go. And every week you turn it on, every week you turn it off, every week you make money.